Hi, this is Mike, NT7R, Great Falls, Montana. Today I decided to make a short video of my tuned CW speaker. I've been using this for quite a while now, especially in the mobile station. There's a lot of extra noise in here traveling down the road. There's a lot of wind noise, road noise, the air conditioner or the heater fan going, sometimes other people in here with me. For a long time I operated with just a regular old communication speaker, like a Radio Shack speaker, and it was okay. They still work quite well for sideband FM, but once I decided to do some research and find some plans for a tuned CW speaker, I've been using it ever since, and I really love it. I've got this one tuned for 700 hertz, which is the same that I have my radio set up for CW. I found the plans on the internet. There's a couple of sites I found. The one I chose was the design that used a 45-degree PVC elbow, and then a base I made out of some plexiglass. I found a set of speakers at Walmart, computer speakers, for $5, so I picked those up, brought them home, took them apart, and they had 2-inch speakers in them, and that's what I used for the CW speaker here. I actually made 2 of them. I've got one for home and one for the mobile here. We're going to let you hear what it sounds like. First of all, I got to find somebody here that's actually transmitting that I can receive. Okay, this is a regular communication speaker here. Okay, yep, this is the regular old Radio Shack communication speaker. Now I'm going to switch to the CW tune speaker. Really cuts down on a lot of the static and the noise on the bands. It even helps with some QRM as well. If somebody's close to you, you use the CW speaker here, and it'll kind of weed some of that out. Now back to the regular speaker. It's a little bassier, and I think it really attenuates some of the 700 hertz tone, whereas the CW speaker actually pronounces the 700 hertz frequency tone and eliminates pretty much the rest of it. Okay, back to the CW speaker. This particular station is coming in about 20 over, so they're really strong here into Montana today. Back to the communication speaker. Okay, when he turns it over to the other station, which is quite a bit weaker, I'm going to switch back over to the tune speaker. Okay, there we go, back up. That's the tune speaker there. Regular speaker. Some QSB there on him. Back to the tune speaker. I'm going to switch it back and forth a couple of times without saying anything so you can hear the difference. Okay, we're on the tune speaker now. I'm using the Kenwood TS480 SAT. That's the 100-watt version. And I have a little Tar Heel 2 antenna mounted on the roof of my pickup on a light bar. Maybe not the most efficient, but it works. I'm quite happy with it. Got a bencher paddle here that I use. I've got a Pico keyer made by Ham Gadgets, which is very small, very compact, and it's good for mobile and probably portable operation as well. And I also have a straight key here for the for like the SKCC contacts and maybe some fist contacts or something as well. And I'll post a link for the web page that I found the plans for this particular one. Like I said, there's a couple, but I kind of like the idea of just going down and buying an elbow and not have to piece together a case or a box or something for the other plan that I saw. So take care, 73. God bless from NT7R in Great Falls, Montana. Dit dit.